What if a simple blood test could reveal cancer before a scan ever could? Welcome to Science My Health, your channel for health and research information. For decades, cancer detection has relied on imaging tests and tissue biopsies. While powerful, those tools can be invasive and don't always show how cancer is changing in real time. Scientists are now focusing on something called circulating tumor cells, or CTCs. These are tumor cancer cells floating in the bloodstream, and the ability to detect these may completely change how we diagnose and monitor cancer. Circulating tumor cells are tiny messengers that reveal how cancer spreads. These cancer cells break away from a tumor and enter the blood. They can travel to other parts of the body and may later form new tumors, a process called metastasis. CTCs are incredibly rare, sometimes just one cancer cell among billions of normal blood cells, but their presence is powerful. Finding CTC shows that cancer cells are actively moving through the body, offering a real-time snapshot of disease activity. Unlike a tissue biopsy taken from one spot, CTCs can reflect cancer coming from multiple tumor sites at once. Circulating tumor cells are already helping doctors predict cancer behavior. Today, CTCs are mainly used in research and specialized care. Studies show that patients with detectable CTCs often have a higher risk of cancer progression or recurrence. In some cancers, higher CTC counts are linked to worse outcomes. CTCs also help researchers understand how aggressive a cancer might be and how cancer cells survive treatment. Because these are whole, living cells, scientists can study their DNA, RNA, and proteins, something not possible with standard blood tests alone. Circulating tumor cells and tumor DNA are different and better together. CTCs are not the same as circulating tumor DNA or ctDNA. ctDNA is made of small DNA fragments released by dying cancer cells and is easier to detect. CTCs, on the other hand, are intact cells. They provide much deeper biological information, including how cancer cells resist treatment and change over time. The research makes it clear CTCs and ctDNA are not replacements for one another. They measure different things and work best together, giving doctors a more complete picture of cancer than either could alone. Circulating tumor cells may help detect cancer earlier and track it better. Researchers have found CTCs in some patients with early-stage cancer, even after surgery when scans show no visible disease. This could help identify minimal residual disease, meaning tiny amounts of cancer that remain after treatment. By tracking CTCs over time, doctors may be able to see whether treatments are working, detect resistance earlier, and adjust care sooner. While CTC testing isn't ready for widespread cancer screening yet, advances in technology are bringing it closer. Circulating tumor cells could reshape the future of cancer care. As technology improves, scientists are getting better at capturing and studying these rare cells. The goal is simple but powerful: detect cancer earlier, monitor it more precisely, and personalize treatment, all from a blood sample. Blood tests to detect CTCs aren't replacing scans or biopsies yet, but they're adding a new layer of insight that could transform how cancer is understood and treated in the years ahead. Like this video and subscribe to Science My Health for more health research news.